Cliffs of Moher. Ireland, we travel to the Cliffs of Moher along the west coast of Ireland. Towering over 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, these dramatic cliffs offer breathtaking views of the rugged Irish coastline. The cliffs, with their steep, craggy edges and windswept grasslands, are home to a variety of bird species, including puffins and razorbills, making them a sanctuary for wildlife. The ever-changing weather adds to the cliff's mystical allure, where the fog often swirls around the rocky outcrops, adding to the sense of awe and wonder as the waves crash below.